Here's how to install and set up Judge.me reviews on your Shopify store. In your Shopify admin, click Apps on the left panel and search for Judge.me. Make sure you select the correct app. Search results often show similar names, and installing the wrong one means starting over. Click Install and confirm. Once installed, Judge.me opens automatically and walks you through its setup steps. Follow these carefully. They handle linking the app to your products and configuring where reviews appear on your store. Skipping steps here is a common cause of reviews not showing up correctly on product pages, even though the app is technically installed. A few things worth knowing before you start collecting reviews. Judge.me's free plan includes unlimited review requests and public review widgets, which is enough for most small stores. Review request emails are sent automatically to customers after purchase. The default timing is usually 7 to 14 days after fulfillment, which gives customers time to receive and use the product before rating it. You can adjust this window in the app settings. Social proof from reviews is one of the most effective ways to increase conversion rates. Studies consistently show that even a small number of reviews significantly improves purchase confidence for new visitors who have never heard of your brand. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.